Hello and welcome back. Let us try to understand why AI is popular now. The AI, artificial intelligence, is there for last 40-50 years. But now it is getting popular because we are in a data rich situation. When I say we are in data rich situation, from 2003 onwards, most of the data is getting digitized because of information revolution, because of the computers, mobile phones and all devices. When you have huge volume of data and you are unable to explore that data, saving the data is waste of time and space and whatnot. If you take a statistician trying to understand 1 petabyte of data, it will take maybe a year or two, right? So if you use AI to understand and make predictions and prescriptions, it can be quicker, right? So the AI is useful now, and there is lots of unstructured data which is unexplored. So if you implement AI right now and explore that unstructured data and bring out insights, you can prescribe and predict many business patterns to the businesses. And when business patterns or the user patterns are understood by the businesses, they can serve better to the people. This is one reason. Data rich situation and AI's capability to explore, prescribe and predict is one reason why, because AI is becoming popular. We have huge volume of data. That is the main reason. Digitized data is the main reason, one reason behind AI getting popular. The other reason is cheaper memory and processing power. If you look at a personal computer, now we can see 8 cores and 32 GB to 64 GB of RAM. So that was unimaginable, maybe 20-25 years back. So with cheaper processing power and memory, you can run the huge models like deep learning models on your local machine and train on data and make the model understand the patterns. That is the second reason. The third reason, the distributed computing, like the systems like Hadoop. When I say distributed computing, when distributed computing was not there, if you have 10 petabytes of data, you need to have, it will be there in one machine and you need to have 10 days to process it. But with distributed computing, you can split the 10 petabytes of data and put it in 10 servers, and you can process them parallelly and then take the understanding onto name node and present it in client. So maybe to process 1 petabyte of data on each server, one day, and then to consolidate it maybe one day, in 2 days you can process the whole data. With distributed computing, our data processing power and time involved in processing the data are reduced. AI algorithms, to get trained, you need to pass huge volumes of data, especially the deep learning models. And if you can bring out insights in less amount of time, it will be good, better. So distributed computing is the third reason why AI is popular now. And fourth and most important reason why AI is popular now is already built-in models, already pre-built models. Scikit-learn is a pre-built model with all machine learning algorithms implemented. And TensorFlow, especially TensorFlow 2.0, it is very easy to use, and it implemented all neural networks concepts. So natural language toolkit, Spassy, GenSim, these are all modules which have implemented the concepts and ready to use. So the developers across the world can use these modules and build models or train the AI models to understand patterns from data. So the 4 reasons for AI becoming popular now are huge volumes of digitized data, cheaper memory and processing power, distributed computing, and pre-implemented modules like the scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Spassy, GenSim, R language, MATLAB. Right? So in another session, we'll meet and understand the relationship between data science and artificial intelligence. Thank you.